Something new, something decaying and something new coming, rising, and it's truly, refreshing because we keep on seeing that the same things again and again, people expect them to produce different results. But truly, we need a revolution in order to inspire not just a change in our laws, but also a change in our culture. So I think of change, culture, something new. Revolution means not accepting the current circumstances that may tread on you, just like in the exhibit here. There, you talk about all the new revolutionary ideas that existed in the new Atlantic world leading up until the Haitian Revolution, 1804, and I think that was the great backdrop to really explain what led to the revolution, and it was all connected.